Hello friends, welcome back to India's first ever YouTube channel completely based on pharma brand management. You know, everything around us is an idea of someone. This camera, phone, everything. In fact, this universe is an idea of Brahma, which is created and maintained by Vishnu and Mahesh respectively. Similarly, an idea which is beneficial for the brand that has to be created and maintained by only one person, and that is brand manager. My friends, during our MBA program, we have learned about a lot of theories, SOPs, modus operandis that taught us how to become a good brand manager. But when it comes to moral responsibilities of the brand manager, is there any chapter available or is there any case study available to particularly Indian target audience? Well, if you know, please write down into the comment section. There are many examples of leaderships, but which is correlating the most? Whenever people think about a brand manager, you know what they think about? They think about smart, intellectual, handsome salaries, good lifestyle, traveling opportunities, stay at lavish hotels. That is true. I mean, they only know the green side of the grass. But when actually it comes to the struggle of brand manager, it becomes more tough. You know why? Because brand manager is not dealing with the dead machines. He is dealing with the human beings where everyone has an individual opinion. So convincing them at every forum is the real struggle. As I have an habit to think out of the box, so whenever I think about the struggle of brand manager, one character comes in my mind, and that is Bhuvan. Yes, a leading character from the movie Lagan. I hope all of you have watched it. Let me repeat once again. Here I am talking about the struggle of brand manager. Don't take it otherwise. Through this episode, you will understand different shades of brand manager, thereby a moral responsibilities. Suppose, just imagine, in this case, one is a brand manager, suppose, and Britishes are competitor.
शर्त ये है कि तुम हमको इस खेल में हराओ और हम तुम्हारा लगान माफ कर देगा.
So every move of this character Bhuvan that tell us about the moral responsibilities of a brand manager. Brand manager has an ability to take decision for his brand against the competition.
Sir, I think the cat's caught his tongue.
First of all, he convinces himself whether it is possible or not. And finally, he takes a decision.
शर्त मंजूर है.
From that moment, he starts working hard on his plan, such as making an input and ensure its utilization. At the same time, he keeps on convincing to his field force to achieve the target and creates the hope.
और कोनो चारा था? मैं पूछू था कोनो चारा? क्या कर सकते थे हम? दुगना लगान जबरदस्ती नहीं है, भरे की ताकत है. बताइए, भर सके कोई? मानित है कि हमारा पलड़ा हल्का है, मगर इमा उम्मीद तो है, और यही उम्मीद का हम सच्चाई में बदलना चाहते हैं. ये खेल है हमारे खेत खलियान के लिए. भूल गए? अगर जीते तो 3 साल सुखी होंगे. 3 साल. जरा सोचो, 3 साल कोनो लगान नहीं. जाने हो इसका मतलब हमारा अनाज सिर्फ हमरा होगा. किसी को दाना नहीं देना पड़ेगा. इमा हमारे बच्चों की, हमारी सारे गांव की खुशहाली होगी.
He remains rigid on his plan against internal criticism.
छोटी छोटी आंखें और बड़े बड़े सपने. अरे छोड़ो भवन, 3 महीना, साल भर भी डंडी पीतो तो भी फिरंगी खेल ना सीख पाई हो. मगर इस्माइल, बस भवन, बहुत होगा.
He keeps the excitement on and create environment to achieve the target. He has to be dedicated in a such way that it has to be reflect even into his casual talks.
सारा दिन दिखाई नहीं दिया भुवन भैया.
क्या करें भाभी, खेल की तैयारी में जुटे पड़े थे.
He grabs the every opportunity for brand promotion.
ये विपदा नहीं है मुखिया जी, मौका है मौका. हम सिर्फ जोश महाने किए.
He keep on motivating field force at every forum.
अरे वाह, इसे काका देखा आपने? ऐसे गपचते हैं गेंद को. क्या बात है बुरा? आओ इस्माइल, जहाँ तक हमका याद है, गिल्ली डंडा माँ हमेशा हमारा टक्कर रही. हाँ, टीपू. अरे टीपू तो बहुत है उसे यार.
He should have a good learning skills.
मान लो कि खेल का मैदान है.
And this is what a cricket pitch
ये वो
is.
पट्टी है जिसमें खेल खेला जाता है.
There are 3 main aspects
Once he learned, he sets an example for others.
देखो सब जने गेंद को लपकने की कोशिश करो, उका गिरने मत दो।
At the same time, he keeps an eye on competitor activities. He identifies strength of the field force.
अरे हम बताए थे, गेंद तो ससुरी सीधी सीधी आवत है, लेकिन मुर्गी भागत है टेढ़ी मेढ़ी। उका पकड़ने के लिए बदन में फुर्ती चाहिए, फुर्ती जो बुरा माँ है। अब बुराई हम सबको सिखावेगा, क्यों रे बुरा?
Also note down the weaknesses as well.
देखो, ईश्वर काका को जरा धीमे से।
चंगा जी।
मैंने कोनो जुर्म नहीं की।
And then converts weakness into the strengths.
नहीं बाई से नहीं, दाहिने हाथ से फेंक। देखा, का फिर की मारत है। अगर जिस कलाई को तूने लूला कहा है, वही हमारी सबसे बड़ी ताकत बनेगी, देख लेना। ये बेजान सा पंजा ही हमका जीत लाएगा।
His every move with his brand creates frustration into the competitor's camp.
मेरे गोरे को तकलीफ दे, अब तुम लोग नहीं बचेगा। तुम कौन से इतना लगाना शू करेगा, कपड़े को कपड़ा नहीं रहेगा। तुम साला गुलाम लोग हमारी जूती के नीचे ही रहेगा।
And he handles the situation according to all protocols.
इधर आओ सब जने, इधर आओ। ये क्या कर रहे हो तुम लोग? सब के सब एक ही तरफ दौड़ने लगते हो। जिसकी तरफ गेंद जाएगी वही दौड़ के लपकेगा, समझे?
He unites the team and make it ready for competition. After all these hard-working efforts, you know what has happened in the end? You know very well. So this type of hard work makes a big brands. I hope you have enjoyed it. Well, this is Jitendra signing out. All the best.